Whenever you start your day, you need to start it with God.
Put God first. Put God first in everything you do. Everything that you think you see in me, everything that I've accomplished, everything that I have is by the grace of God.
If you are completely obsessed and totally focused, if you're taking massive action and getting better and better at executing, there's only one more thing, and that's grace. Some call it luck, some call it grace, you might call it God, but there's no question in my life. It's those things that show up to when you've done the first two steps and your intent is something larger than just yourself.
How many times do we decide to put God first, but then the keeping him first becomes an issue because, in case you haven't noticed, the world is full of things to distract us.
If you're trying to do something, it supports you, but it supports your family as well. It supports your community. It supports your country. It supports the world. A different level of insight comes through you. And that happens, this thing called grace. And I think the more you acknowledge grace, the more it shows up. So I'm not here to tell you what to believe spiritually. I don't believe in that. I believe you got to figure out what you believe and live it. But if you think there is no such thing as grace or God or infinite intelligence or whatever the right words are for you, because words can get in the way of what's real. If you don't think there is, it's kind of like saying the universe is the result of an explosion in a print factory. It all just came together perfectly in sync by accident. I just don't personally subscribe to that, but you can subscribe to whatever you want. I just know that those that acknowledge that something is giving me the gift of life, the more you acknowledge it, the more of it you experience.